In this one, I'm just going to quickly talk about the doubling rule of 70, which tells us, it gives us an approximation for how long it will take for our investment to double at a given growth rate. So if we start with this, yt equals y0, which is our principal investment, times 1 plus some growth rate to the exponent t. I've derived this in a previous video, so check it out if you want. And so we want to know what value of t, what value t will take for our investment to double. So we need to set yt equal to 2 times our principal investment. So we can say 2y0 equals y0 1 plus r to the exponent t. Obviously we can just cancel those y0s, so we get 2 equals 1 plus r to the exponent t. And obviously we want to find out the value of t, so we solve for t. How do we do that? We can take the natural logarithm of both sides. Using the logarithm properties, we get this. And from there, how do we solve for t? We just divide across. So we say t equals log 2 on log 1 plus r. And now that's our formula. That tells us how long it will take for our investment to double. Now, if we want a quick approximation, we can round firstly log of 2, approximately 0.7. We can round that to 0.7. That's why it's called the doubling rule of 70. It comes from that. And the log of 1 plus r, I've gone over this in another video, using a log approximation for small r, log of 1 plus r is approximately equal to r. So we can approximate t with this 0.7 on r. So for example, if r is 1%, then it would be 0.7 on 0.01, which is 70. So it would take 70 years for our investment to double. If r was 2%, it would take 35 years for our investment to double, so on. As r gets bigger, it gets less accurate though, because our log approximation only holds for small r. So like if r is 10%, yeah, then our approximation tells us that it will take 7 years for our investment to double. But because r is quite big here, 10% is quite a big number, it's actually less accurate. I think the real number is something more like 7.2 something. So yeah, for small r, that is our doubling rule of 70, which tells us, given some value, tells us how long, given some value and some growth rate, how long it will take for us to double our investment or our principal value.